Now today I'll be sharing with you the reason why you must consider the polarity of your speaker, whether it's a normal speaker or a subwoofer, a small subwoofer like this, maybe it's just a normal speaker, something like this one, but I'm going to use the speaker for this case study. Okay, you must really consider the polarity. Now let's go to the experiment and let's test why must we consider it. Okay, now if you look at this speaker, I have my black wire here, I have the red one here. Okay, for this one we don't know the polarity at all. We don't know the polarity, but we'll experiment it. Okay, so now let's start with the first one. Okay, let's face up. Please look at this place. Look here very well. Okay, now I have my battery here. Okay, let me use this battery for a case study. Now this is my red, this is my red, this is my black. Okay, now let me connect the black to the black side of this one, black to black of this, and red to the other side of this one. Don't mind my camera, just pardon me please. Okay, so my red to this black side. Now this positive polarity here and the positive polarity here too, that's what we want to connect. Now look at the direction at which this speaker will vibrate. Now get it right. If it is positive, if the polarity is correct, if your positive is to the positive, it will bounce upward, and that is the right way a good speaker must bounce. But if it bounces inward, that is very bad. Your sound will not be very clear and thick. Okay, so now let's check it now. Just look at the speaker. Let's touch this wire. You can see the direction. Let me lift it up so that you can see better. Okay, let me touch it now. You can see it's bouncing outward, which is very good. Abi? Very good. Okay, now let's interchange the polarity. Let me remove this one. And let me take my red to the black instead. Okay, now my black is now coming to the red. Now my negative is coming to my positive. Now let's lift it up and let's see what will be the implication of this. So the first one was bouncing outward. Now let's see what you can see. It's going inward. You can see the vibration here. See, something is stopped. Let me just touch it and hold it. You can see it now, which is very bad. It's a very bad one. Just vibrating inward. So guys, anytime you want to connect your speaker, please consider the polarity so that you will not damage that speaker, and also to have a very good sound. So let me return it back and let's see what it will be like again. Okay, so black to black and red to red now. Let's see. Let's see. Outward. Now let me clip it together like what I did for that one. You can see this one bounced outward now, which is the normal way most speakers should bounce. So guys, if you find this video very helpful, do well to like and subscribe to this my channel. See you next time.